Alright, hello YouTube, this is Zep13265 and this is my cousin's bike check, so I'm just going to let him take it from here.
This is the Stolen Sinner 2011. I have Miraco Black Label grips in orange. They suck. I have Stolen Big Boy Chromely bars, 8.25 rise. I have the Stolen Convict stem. I have Stolen Cyclone forks in black. I love them. Stolen Revolver front ramp wheel. It's really nice. The back one sucked. I have Stolen Tioga front tire. I have of course, the Stolen Sinner 2011 frame, complete Chromely, with my Shadow Penumbra, or however you say it, seat. I love it. I have Stolen mob cranks with Stolen Thermalite pedals. They're really wide and nice. I have really huge feet. You want to check them out?
Oh God.
I have just some sprocket's a sprocket, whatever. I have a KMC chain. Change the chain.
As long as it doesn't snap, it doesn't matter.
I have
it's an alienation
rim.
It's a black sheep,
laced to a Haro hub. Wrapped with an 18 tire. I'm going to show you the hub noise.
Yep.
So that's my bike check. Hope you like it.